By following this pattern, I will complete this round too. I will start a new round, and for this round I will make 3 chain and make 5 double crochet all over the double crochet, and every space will have 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet. I will make 5 double crochet over the 5 double crochet. In the space I will make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, total 7 double crochet, 2 chain, make 2 double crochet in the same space, 1, 2, make 5 double crochet over the next 5 double crochet, total 7 double crochet here. Chain 1 and make 5 double crochet over the next 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, 4 and 5 double crochet over the 5 double crochet, and make total 7 double crochet. In the space make 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet in the same space, 1, 2, make total 7 double crochet, this pattern, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 double crochet. Chain 1 and make 5 double crochet over the 5 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make 2 double crochet in the space, total 7 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet in the same space, 5 double crochet over the next 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 1 chain. By following this pattern I will complete this round.